Chờ bạn hả chị?
Dạ.
Chờ bạn hả?
Dạ, đúng rồi, thì anh cứ nhắc vô đây.
Alright, we're here in District 1, Saigon, trying to get some more bò nát. Or is it bò nát? That's better, right? Bò nát. So there's this restaurant here, this ÚT Hảo hiNG. And they've got other things here besides bò nát. They got hủ tiếu. The interesting thing about this restaurant is that, let me be careful crossing the street here. Okay. Be careful crossing the street here. Lots of different restaurants on this street, by the way. They cook the bò nát here, right? Nấu bò nát ở đây không? Okay. So they cook the bò nát here. Look at, they've got some gà quá, and what is that? Cơm vang, I guess. Some like yellow rice. Chào anh. Cool. Ở kia. Okay. Ở kia. Nói ở kia. Anh ở kia. Okay, so we're gonna eat over there. But this is the place where they prep it. Looks like a good Chao Chi. Yeah. Alright, cool. So we're gonna go back over there to the restaurant. Got the whole chef preparation thing here. Yeah, bò nát. And I guess we order the type of bò nát that we want over here. And then they'll send the order back over there and then bring the food over here. Interesting setup. Hello. So let's see what they got. They got lots of different things. Fried rice, more rice dishes. Where's the bò nát? Mon bò. So I guess it would just be the baguette.
Oh, no, you have bò nát right here.
Oh, bò nát. Okay.
Bò nát có bao nhiêu trứng?
Một trứng, thêm mốt trứng, 2 trứng. Yeah, bò nát 2 trứng. Và níu bò, thêm bò.
Nuôi bò.
Dạ. Vậy là bây giờ lấy một phần bò nế, thay vì 1 trứng anh lấy 2 trứng, thêm bò.
Thêm bò.
Không pate.
Không pate.
Không bánh mì.
Không bánh mì.
Ok không? Dạ rồi, với lại lấy một phần nữa cũng không pate, không bánh mì luôn, mà bình thường.
My Vietnamese is not being well understood. Bò nát đây.
Bò nát 2 trứng anh chị. Cái má chị kêu đi.
Thì cái này cho em.
Look at that. Ask and you shall receive. That's good actually. Just add one egg.
Thì cái này cho em đi.
Cái này người chị.
Anh qua dặn đi chứ để.
Em nói rồi á.
So, what do we think so far? It looks like a good plate of sizzling beef. This is your favorite place, right?
My friend took me here once, yeah, and I loved it, so I wanted to come back.
Nice.
That's why I wasn't so sure about which, like direction to go, or because I only came here once.
What kind of drink did you get here?
I didn't get it.
Come on.
I didn't order it.
Well, what did it come for? What is it?
It's rau má.
Rau má?
Yeah. Do you want it? I can ask for rau má with no sugar for you.
Is it just regular rau má?
Yeah, I was gonna order
What is
it.
going on here?
I don't know, it's like some mind reading shit, like I was gonna order rau má anyway.
Okay, well there you go.
Anh ơi, thêm 1 ly rau má nhưng mà đừng có bỏ đường nha.
Không bỏ đường hả?
Dạ, xíu đường thôi, xíu đường.
A little bit of sugar. Keep me just a little bit sweet.
Không ăn với mì.
You don't want banh mi?
No, I don't.
All right, so, and I got hopefully a bonnet with extra beef and extra egg. We got the salak here, which I'm assuming has the yam.
Yep.
Yum.
Yep, yep,
Yum.
yep.
Not yum. Yum. God.
Don't say it. Foul language.
Okay, sorry, I'm not gonna say the foul language. All right, and then let's try a little bit of your.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let me try this. No, good, delicious. All right, so let's wait till we get my bonnet, and then we'll dig in. Ah, yeah, the bonnet hai trứng.
Nè hai trứng.
Cảm ơn nha.
Ok luôn.
There we go. And a rau má ít đường. Now we're happy. We got our things that we wanted. So we got our hyphen bonnet. Mine has 2 eggs because I'm a big boy and I need 2. Got my rau má ít đường. It's good. Try yours compared to mine.
Mine is better.
Hers is better because it's sweeter. It has more sugar. Let's try the beef though. She said this is her favorite place to get bonnet. Alright, it's quality beef. That's really good.
Good.
It's good. The only thing I would say it's missing, she does not like cucumbers. Always gives me her cucumbers. So now that I have 2 cucumbers, I may just turn this into a spa treatment and go. The only thing that this is missing that I always see in a bonnet, where are the onions?
Oh yeah.
You know?
We don't have onions.
No onions. That's okay though. No onions, no problem. We got some.
Onions.
Is that onion? Onion in the salad, in the salad. A nice plate of salad. Nice and cool and crispy. What's on the table? So we got chili sauce. We have some sort of cleaning rag. I'm assuming that's not for the food. There we go. Soy sauce, my best friend. Toothpicks, yeah, toothpicks. Spoons, chopsticks. Sign, cam?
No, just
Just It looks orange to me, so I said cam? Cam? And what's this sauce? This seemingly delectable sauce. Ooh, that's good. Try a little bit of that. A little bit of that in you. That's like a tangy, chili, creamy chili sauce. I'm gonna dip my beef in that. Wow. All right. Okay. I can see why this is your favorite place. It's quality beef, guys. Quality beef. Of course, it's here on the sizzling platter. Ooh, ooh. Don't touch it. Don't. All right. How many seconds? 1. That's it. 1 second. That's as long as you want to be touching the sizzling platter of beef. Little round man. Now, let me show you the, what are we calling it? Are we calling it like visual stimulation? Are we calling it ASMR? What is it? The yolk run. This yolk runs like Usain Bolt in the Olympics. Here we go. Okay, that's not quite Jamaican speed right there. That's more like the guy from New Zealand who he got in there based on trials. He's not running with Usain. That's not that 4.240 speed that we're looking for. But it is a good bit of yolk run. Let's try the egg itself. Unadulterated. Back on that unadulterated word. Mmm. I love eggs. Chicken eggs. It's good stuff. It's gone. It's gone. And it's gonna be gone in a few seconds because I'm gonna devour it. You put a little bit of soy sauce on yours.
Oh yeah.
A little bit of brown there, I see. That's not beef brown. That's soy sauce brown. Take us through your thought process there when you decided to go for the soy sauce.
Well, I don't know about you, but in Vietnam, or maybe just in my family, in the South, I don't know, in Ninh Thuan, whatever.
Yeah.
When you eat like a fried egg,
Yeah.
for breakfast, or whatever, whenever there's a fried egg, you just put soy sauce on it.
There you have it, guys. I mean, that's
You have to put soy sauce on it. It's like,
it's a requirement.
yeah. Yeah.
So basically, you're saying it's not authentically Vietnamese unless you're eating soy sauce with your
Yeah, it's
with
like,
your egg.
it's like a mandate.
All right. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna break mandates, guys. If it's mandated, we're gonna ever so one drop. Never see, now I got 2 drops, and that's just so that I don't get into trouble legally. Now that I know it's a mandate. Let's try it though. I mean, yeah, it's better. It tastes better with that salty, savory flavor of soy sauce. This beef is super tender. I love this sauce too. I don't know how well you can see. Could be a little bit of view SMR on that. View SMR on the.
We're just trying so hard to be Gen Z.
I am a millennial. She's Gen Z. You can see the age. You can see I've got my crow's feet on my eyes. She doesn't have any. My eyes are saying, "Caw!" Which is Vietnamese for have, actually. I guess a crow is always, in Vietnam, if there are any crows, they always have something, right? Caw! Caw ye! I'm gonna give you a little view SMR. I'm sorry to keep shaking the camera around. View SMR of the dip. And the bite. That's really good. That's really good. That's better than the bonnet I had yesterday, guys. In terms of beef quality. It's a little bit more expensive, but when I say a little bit more, I think it's like 10,000 more. It's like 50 cents, but very worth it in terms of the quality. Very tender beef. I love the sauce, gives it a tangy, spicy flavor. The eggs are well done. Well, I should say they're cooked like over easy, over medium. So not well done in the sense that they're cooked too much. Well done in the sense that they've been cooked properly. And again, we're going no by me because we're both trying to go for bikini bodies right now.
You too?
Yep. I'm trying to get my bikini body going for the summer. I was gonna go.
What's your favorite?
What do you mean, favorite bikini?
Yeah.
I like Brazilian bikinis. That's my favorite style. Just really showing off what I've got in terms of, you know, my goods. You guys, you know what I mean. You guys know. I'll make a separate video about that. I don't know if I'll put it on YouTube. I might go on a different website. Really good beef. This is getting a high score. Very high. Cool. Vinegary salad. Egg. Let's see if we can get the whole egg in one bite. Excellent. I mean, tender, fresh beef, eggs cooked perfectly, salad nice and cool complement. Dank Rank on my end, 9.3 solid. Solid 9.3. This is probably the best bonnet I've ever had. What are you thinking in terms of your Dank Rank?
I don't want to like kill the mood.
Yeah, a little more tempered.
But I've had better.
Ooh.
In Phan Rang. I mean, the beef quality might not be as good compared to what this is.
So this is the highest beef quality, maybe.
Yeah, but they got this really good sauce, like it's like a tomato sauce, you know, that they put on top of like the egg and the beef, and I just love tomatoes, so
yeah.
So that would be in the 9s. This would be, you know, in like the higher 8s.
So 8.9 solid. I do remember actually last time we went to Phan Rang, they did put a tomato sauce on it. So there's that like a uniquely Phan Rang thing or Ninh Thuan thing?
Maybe it's just like unique to that, you know, like restaurant. They have that.
Is that one restaurant? Is that your favorite bonnet place that we went to?
Yeah, in Phan Rang, yeah, that we went to.
All right, we'll make a vlog of that place when we go back to Phan Rang.
I think it's just brilliant, like beef and tomato and eggs. It's like perfect together.
It is. I did like the tomato addition. It was the first time I ever had that variation of bò né, or that iteration. It was good. It was ngon. I don't know if it was ngon yet. But it was ngon. So now, we just got our real man. We've already finished our food. Are you hungry? No? Not hungry.
Depleted.
Not chưa?
Not really.
She is not really full. I'm also full. It's nice though. These Vietnamese meals, you can see that we both finished ours, like the good little boys and girls that we are. These Vietnamese meals, they don't leave you feeling like really crappy afterwards, right? I don't know if you feel the same way. Like, if you compare it to eating, say, a cheeseburger and fries, how you feel after eating a cheeseburger and fries versus how you feel after eating a Vietnamese meal. Is there a difference?
Yeah, after a cheeseburger and fries, I just want to like go lay down.
Yeah.
I just want to like, oh my god,
Yeah.
let me go ahead and like take an unhealthy nap. But I'm like re-energized after like a good Vietnamese meal.
I completely agree with that, yeah. And I think in a lot of ways that's what food should be, right? Food is energy. Food is a life source. And if after you're eating food, your initial instinct is, oh, I gotta lay down, that's probably not a good sign. I had, the other night, I ate like 3 kebabs, like wraps, you know, the ones with the pita bread and the French fries in them and all that stuff. I ate like 3 pretty big things. It was probably like a solid 1.5 kilos of food, or it was just like, it's like 3 pounds of food. And afterwards, I tried as long as I could just to sit up or stand up, and I was like, nah, I have to lay down. But this, I feel great. I feel like I could go run at least a 0.5 kilometer.
You know what else it could be?
What?
You never have fun at home. How would you be able to lay down if you're in a restaurant?
True. I'm not laying on that. That's a good point.
Even if you want to lay down, you can't.
Very true. Well,
maybe a little bit unfair on the wraps.
that's true. Maybe I'm giving the wraps a bad rap. I saw some alleys around here. I have to do a little alley exploration. Yeah, a good meal. Let's get the check. Check, please.
Can you try it in a different language?
La cuenta, por favor. Different language? Some deploy. So we've gone English, Spanish, Khmer, Vietnamese. Chị ơi, Tinh Tinh. That one worked.
We had to blindly wing it. We had to blindly wing it. We didn't know.
Well, the language?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
Well, it worked on the 4th try.
Cái phân có 20 ngàn.
1 phần 2 trứng rồi.
À đúng rồi.
70 là 140.
172 is 172,000 Vietnam dong. Give you a little view SMR of the calculator. That's gonna be my new word, guys. View SMR. I like it. You heard it here first. That's trademark copyright. all rights reserved. Big time Bentley Incorporated. Overall review of this place, I thought it was very good food. The place is called Quán ÚT Hảo hiNG. That's their hotline. You can come here and have happiness.
Oh, it is our pleasure to serve you.
It's our pleasure to serve you, different you, stranger you. We have
Oh, cut is guest.
guest. It's our pleasure to serve the guests.
Yeah, and we is dear. The dear
What?
guest. You know,
have
D-E-A,
deer?
not the.
I thought it was. I haven't seen a deer here in Vietnam for a long time, if ever. Maybe in Dalat. I don't know. All right, let's go. Deer guests. How many deers do they have eating here? But yeah, guys, that'll be the end of it. It was very good food. Darn rutting on. You got your wallet there. Here in District 1, which district or which ward are we in? Phương now. Co ward? Co ward of District 1. I think that's Hảo hiNG over there, the street. Hảo hiNG. Here's the place. Quán ÚT Hảo hiNG. 31/6 Nguyễn, Cảnh, Chân, District 1. So yeah, guys, if you want some really good banh eggs, solid quality, come here, get your food. But yeah, it's gonna end the vlog for today. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel to support the growth, and leave any comments you have. I'm really happy to hear from you all. And I'll see you all in the next vlog. Peace.